So hey everybody, as you can see, I'm back at home here in beautiful Thailand and just got back from the States about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. And it was a great visit. Really tired me out though, the traveling, and I ended up getting quite sick when I got back here, but I've since recovered and just getting back to my routine and stuff. And Dave, obviously, you see he's not here with me, and that's because he's still in the States. He's doing some work there, but he's going to be here in another week or two, so we'll definitely be sharing some new fun experiences with you then. But today I'm going to take you with me. I'm taking a ride over to our builder's new development here. It's Narada 3, so this is Narada 1. Narada 2 is just over there next door. And then Narada 3 is all single level. Narada 1 and 2 are dual level. So Dave and I have an interest, and maybe at some point we're gonna maybe have Nat build us a single level. So I'm very curious, and my real estate agent, Sarah Joan, who's a good friend of mine, she said, hey, why don't you come over and check it out? I'm making cookies. So I said, okay, I'm coming. So look who that is. Zoe! Zoe! There she is, my puppy. So she's gonna take a little ride with us as well. She's been stuck in the house. It's been raining the last few days. It's kind of that season, so gotta get her out and about. So yeah, here is Narada 2. He still has a couple lots in there. But you can see, really, really nice. I have really come to love Pham Nhat Pran. I mean, it's about 30 minutes outside of town, but I will tell you, or the center of Hua Hin, but I will tell you that this little town here, this little beach town, is just the perfect fit for us. I love it. I love the quiet, and honestly, I really don't miss the hustle and bustle of being up in the center of town. And what I do is I just go up there like 2 or 3 days a week, and I plan, you know, to see friends and do some activities up there on those specific days, so I'm not driving back and forth from here to the center of town. And I mean, there's some good shopping areas down here anyway, so I don't really need to go up there if I don't have to. We have a decent grocery store. Of course, we have Macro as well, and we have some we have Global House as well, which has great, you know, selection of home, you know, items and stuff that you might need. So and the restaurants down here are awesome as well, so I can't complain, and I just love being right by the beach. I even just found myself a nice little massage parlor right over here along the beach area that I like to go to. So yeah, don't really miss going uptown much. And you know, honestly, I will tell you, I'm not like a super social person. I don't really like huge groups of people. It makes me uncomfortable. I like a smaller group of people, just some of my key friends to hang out with, and that's what works best for me. So yeah, you can see right over there, look at that, right on the corner, that's my friend Sarah's real estate business office. So she's been really busy helping people find rental homes here, as well as, you know, potential homes to buy. She's bringing people all over the place here. I'm so glad that she's been busy, but yeah, it's hard to catch up with that one. She's always doing something, and she's got 2 daughters, you know, and her husband are, you know, always doing activities here in the community. So, but anyway, I'm going to show you the center here, and we're coming up on the Rotary. And this Rotary was previously known for its octopus that was in the center here on this platform. And they have removed the octopus, and I don't know what they're doing here, so who knows what they're going to add to be kind of a feature or focal point as you drive into the area. So Narada 3, which is obviously his 3rd development, our builder's development, is located over here by Kaho Tao Lake. It's probably about, I'd say, 5 minutes from the lake, and it's built up on a little bit of a slanted hillside, and so that's kind of nice. I'm sure you'll probably get some little bit of views and stuff from the top there of the surrounding area, the valley, and some of the nice fields around here and farms. So I'm really looking forward to seeing this, and our builder has been awesome. Like, when I have a problem or whatever, I just give him a buzz, or I, send him a message, and he sends somebody over as soon as possible, to address it. I recently had my washing machine, when the pipes came loose and splashed all over the place, had water all over the floor, and the very next morning he sent somebody out to secure that pipe. So it's nice to have somebody like that that's managing your property, and he speaks some decent English and stuff, so that's certainly a bonus for me. So I just had some lunch too at the very good restaurant over here in Pak Nam Pran, and it's this little restaurant that's just off the beaten path, and I mean, you wouldn't even know it's there. There's like hardly any signage on the main road there to lead into it, but if you look up very good restaurant Pak Nam Pran, it is exactly what it's called, very good, and the prices are good, and the food is just amazing. They have this apple salad, which I really love, and you can get it in all the range of spicy that you like. I like to get it either a little bit spicier and medium, but it's so good. So yeah, if you're looking for a place to venture out to and come down here to Pak Nam Pran, grab some lunch or dinner, that place is great. So the funny thing about that restaurant is how Dave and I found it. We put in good restaurants near us or near me, and sure enough, that restaurant populated, very good restaurant. It was really funny how we found that place, but the people are super nice in there. We enjoy going there. So right now I'm heading up towards the area where the new development is, and you can see how beautiful it is here. I mean, it's just so gorgeous. I love these big palm trees and all the beautiful plants and everything that line this road, and the flowers and all of that. It's just so pretty here. Dave and I have had some people message us about like what to do with as far as like rental properties here and stuff, and giving deposits in advance. You know what? We would not recommend doing that. There are so many homes here for rent, and really, you just don't know. There's some scammers and stuff out there, and you don't know who you're working with and stuff unless you're working with like a big company like Lazudi or something. I wouldn't be doing that in advance. You want to see the property yourself and see the area too. If you're just moving here, you don't know if the area is going to work for you, right? So come and spend some time here. Just stay in a hotel for a week or two, and then secure something after once you get here. This is where I am turning into Narada. It looks like I'm not sure where I'm supposed to park. All right, so I think what I'm going to do, I'm just going to drive right on up and in. Narada Phase 3. And it looks like they have quite a few people up there. I think I'll leave the air conditioning on for her, and I'll just take a walk up here. It looks rather narrow where people have parked to pull up on in. Gosh, it's like a party here. So you can see it. It's a little bit of a slope. And this is the surrounding area. But this is Plex. Plex is my housekeeper. Hello. Look at the entry here. This is really nice. Warika. Yes, yes. So let's see here. Walk up this way. Oh, it looks like a party. Somebody's having some type of celebration here. So these look like to be the lots. Going to be nice sized lots. Yeah, it's a nice area, isn't it? So they don't typically do open houses here. That's not something that's a thing here in Thailand, but they're going ahead and trying it with this community so that Nat can kind of market this property. I'm really here just because I'm nosy. It's not like I'm gonna build one of these right now, but gotta see how they're laid out. It's pretty cool. So all one level. Nice. And head up the hill. So he's got a property that's entirely complete. Look at this. This is gorgeous. All right, so this is it. Gorgeous. Wow, it's a lot of space here. A lot of space. What a nice lot. Beautiful. This is Sarah. You know Sarah.
Hi.
Yeah. So we were just talking a little bit about the property. Oh, she wants a picture of us. So tell us a little bit about this place.
This is Narada Villa Phase 3. The house has living area 272 square meters, including the outside as well. And the pool is 5x12.
Okay.
Standard 5x12
Nice
meters.
size.
Yeah, you can really swim.
Beautiful.
Yeah, for inside living area is about 165 square meters.
Okay.
Our standard is 3 bedroom, 4 bath.
Wow.
But you are able to adjust everything inside.
Oh, okay. To
Yeah.
what you want. You can
if
change it around a
yeah,
little
if
bit.
you want 2 bedrooms, some people want with just 2 people, so 2 bedrooms.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we can see inside.
Yeah.
And we can meet actually the owner of the house.
Oh, is here?
Yeah, he's here.
Oh, how about
so
that?
you will hear from him.
And are there a lot of lots left here in this
There
area?
are 4 left.
Okay.
Yeah, we sold 5
Wow.
already.
Wow.
Yeah, last week we sold to a couple that just came on vacation. 2 days
Oh.
vacation, and then we met, and then they liked
it so
and
much.
then they went back. We didn't have time to do anything, so they went back, and then a few days later they just contacted us to reserve the lot.
Wow, how about that? Well, it's understandable because Nat builds a beautiful home, that's for sure. All right, well, let's take a walk in. Hi.
Hi there.
Hello. Hi. Okay, so here's the kitchen. A nice space there. Hey, look who it is. We were just talking about you. Everybody, this is Nat. He's our builder. Yeah.
You mean in the center? Or? Well, look at their house, and I teach the kids coming in, and so I would look at their house, and I would take more.
All right, so this is the master. Some nice buildings there. And that's pretty nice as well. A nice feature, and this sliders that open up to the patio. And then this is the master shower and sink area. Good size space. Side by side. Nice. All right, let's see. Here's the... Oh, all right. This is nice. Laundry area. Lots of cabinetry in here. There's space to store stuff, right? And we get a side door. Oh, looks like we're going to have a little garden bed out there. All right, and here's another bedroom here. Again, with some nice built-in storage. And then this goes down this way. Wow, nice sized bathroom right here. Oh, and look at... Oh, we've got a fellow athlete. I will have to chat with him. So this is a triathlete. Gentleman, he's quite accomplished, I see. Several Ironman finishes. It's pretty awesome. Okay, and then this Looks out over the pool. What a perfect place to have a treadmill. So the thing about Nat is, like, if you're building with him, he can change this to whatever way you want it laid out with the space, or if you want a bigger home or whatever, you know, he will tailor the property to exactly what you need or want. Yeah, so they have only 4 lots left here, you guys, so I have a funny feeling they're gonna go pretty quick. All right, so what did you think? I think the home is beautiful. I think this community is really nice. I think he's doing a great job. The quality hasn't changed from our home. It's very similar to the quality. Yeah, he's gonna do quite well here. I still like where I live better. My location is really more in line for what Dave and I like to do with our running and stuff like that along the ocean. You just can't beat it. But the properties here are really, really nice. Really nice. Yeah, I'll put Sarah's contact information in the description. So if you have any questions about the property or about the community as well, you can reach out to her. She is also available on Facebook Messenger, so you can contact her, Sarah Joan, located in Pak Nam Pran.